Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge. Yes, Shibadoge is back on track. Shibadoge is back at its all-time market cap. Now remember, Shibadoge, as of last month, January, this coin hit about $36 million market cap before dropping down to 32. Right now, Shibadoge is back on 36 million, and I'm hoping for this to continue. Maybe before the end of this month, this coin market cap might be hitting over 40 million or 45 million. So I'm hoping to see Shibadoge at $100 million market cap. Now imagine what will be happening, because this coin will be pushing its way towards the top 300 or the top 400 crypto coins with the highest market cap. I think Shibadoge at $200 million market cap will be among the top 150 or 200 crypto coins. So that is going to really help this coin. Now, for now, Shibadoge started before it was ranked the top 5,000 coins. That was not even long ago. Shibadoge was ranked the top 5,000 coins with the highest market cap, and now it's ranked the top 3,000. So we are going down, and I believe very soon this coin will start gaining more market cap. Of course, more rights, more holders. I'm happy that Shibadoge finally can hold on, can stable on over $30 million market cap after hitting 16, dropping down to 15 points. So I also believe maybe Ethereum Wells or other wells will be coming in back. Remember, Ethereum Wells invested over $7.2 million. That was about a few months ago. So if they can come back to say they want to invest back on Shibadoge, this time around, Shibadoge is going to gain a lot. Shibadoge is going to pump. Shibadoge is going to rise, because Ethereum was showing interest as of more than 7 months or 8 months ago. I was happy, but remember, there is one important thing you need to understand about wells. These guys can buy coins worth of millions of dollars. So any coin you see them buying, of course, we are buying coins for profit. Okay, now if wells are buying coins worth of millions of dollars, what do you expect? That simply means they believe that coins is going to rise, and these guys can research a lot. They are good, they know what is really happening. Okay, now imagine these guys buying Shibadoge again, because they actually purchased Shibadoge. That was when, even though they left, they decided to sell off their Shibadoge. I still was like, wow, if they can really buy and invest on Shibadoge, there is something special about Shibadoge that they actually motivated them to invest on Shibadoge coin. But I think that if the developers can really hold on, can really keep working hard, keep pushing, keep trying, creating different ways, different plans that will help to see Shibadoge become one of the successful coins. And you know what? The developers didn't fail. Of course, they continued, and they have been really doing well. And right now, Shibadoge have gained a lot of listing and a lot of market cap, and I believe this coin will continue to increase in price. This coin will continue to pump. This coin will continue to rise. Don't be surprised to see Shibadoge at $200 million cap, and then we'll be heading towards 1 billion. Wow, at 1 billion coins, this coin is going to rise. At 1 billion coins, this coin is expected to hit over 10,000 or 100,000%. At 1 billion coins, Shibadoge is set to be among the top 50 crypto coins with the highest market cap. At 1 billion coins, Shibadoge is set to gain the listing of top exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. At 1 billion, Shibadoge have a lot of coins, and they need to burn out these coins. The number of Shibadoge coins, one of the things that is holding this coin, is going to gain more attention from different crypto investors and traders if this coin can burn at least 70 or 80% of its supply. But anyhow, I believe this coin, at least they have gotten a good step. They are really doing well. Let's keep hoping for the best to come for Shibadoge, and I believe this year many Shibadoge holders will be smiling to the bank. Now remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.